All right, so here's a look at this air ionizer by Clarifion. You can see that it's nice and compact, small, and it's basically just gonna plug right into your traditional outlet. And the great thing about this is this one doesn't have any type of filter, so you don't have to do any type of maintenance. All you're gonna do is just plug it in, and it's gonna last you for about 3 to 4 months. But it also really depends on how bad your air is. So if you've got maybe like a fire nearby, or you've just got a lot of dust and pollen in your house, then it might last a little bit shorter. But this does come in 3 and 6 packs. So I would just recommend picking up a 6-pack. That way you always have it on stock and you can just switch them out when you need to. So let's go ahead and plug it in here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So really simple. You're just gonna plug it in like that, and boom, you're done. Really easy. You can see that it's working by the light up here at the top. And this is great for anybody that has allergies, or maybe you have a lot of dust and pollen nearby, or if you have any type of wildfire. So this is going to help ionize the air in your home, making the air more fresh and more healthy. So if you're looking for something to really clean out your air or in the house and make it more of a healthy environment, then I would definitely recommend picking up a pack of these.